and with deep gratitude for the trust and confidence you have afforded me.
Bye-bye.
That trust has been the source
Panalo tayo.
of my strength in every day of service.
Saan?
When I assumed this responsibility,
Mamimiss ko yan eh. Galing yan eh.
I made a solid commitment that the House of Representatives would be the people's house.
Say hi. Hi.
Bukas, tapat,
Say hi.
tulay na naglilingkod. Yet leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the president.
Ayun, Marcos.
In his recent State of the Nation address, our president reminded us that accountability must prevail
Okay. Hindi ano ako.
and that no one is above scrutiny.
Oo nga, yan.
I fully
Yan
and
tuloy.
unequivocally embrace that call.
Good. Ganyan. Bye-bye ka na.
The issues surrounding certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me, but upon this institution we all serve.
Daang billion ah.
Ang ating mga kababayan
Hundreds of
ay
billions.
nangangad ng linaw at higit sa lahat ng tiwala. Tungkulin natin ito'y may balik.
Bye-bye yan. Bye-bye.
The longer I stay, the heavier that burden grows on me, on this house, and on the president I've always sought to support. And so, after deep reflection and prayer, I have
Dasal ka
made
pala
a
ah.
decision today with a full heart and a
May
clear
puso ka pala
conscience.
ah.
I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Yun o, panalo ng taong bayan.
I do
Panalo
this
tayo.
so that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure may pursue its mandate freely and fully,
Hindi, pinsan ka
without
mo.
doubt, without interference, without undue influence.
Pinsan ka ni Marcos. Walang
Walang
nangyayari
pipili.
sa'yo.
Walang
Safe
makikita.
ka. Safe ka.
Let the truth emerge and let justice be done. My colleagues, carry forward the work of this institution with unity and resolve.
Oh, wag mo na ulitin
The
yan. ah.
Filipino people
Daming
never lose
nalulod.
faith in democracy, for it remains capable of self-correction and renewal. Mga minamahal kong kababayan, I leave this chamber as I first entered it.
So yun,
A
bye-bye.
humble servant,
Ha, servant.
ready to serve
Sino sinaserve
wherever
mo?
duty may call. Step down not in surrender, but in service.
Hindi, talo ka ni Meow.
Or sometimes,
Talo ka na ni Meow.
the greatest act of leadership is the grace to let it go.
Oh, yun. Dapat dati pa
So
yan.
that this institution may endure stronger than ever before.
Hindi,
Ang
wala.
salamat ay matatag.
Wala na yung Marcos
Mabuhay ang
admin.
Kongreso ng Taong Bayan.
Wala na.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Wala kang takot sa Pilipinas. Yun oh. Saya ng mga tao. Wala ka na. Ang saya ng mga tao. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, crocodile.